Good morning. Today we are having some rocket salad in the sunshine. Yeah. Good girl. Do a bit more. Here we go. It's coming. It's coming. Good girl. Little picnic. Good girl. Chicky chips.